Hi everyone! Imagine this.
You get a message from the tax office saying you get 800 euros back, but only if you click now!
Welcome to Scam Alert, the series where we make scams super easy to spot. With a big wink, subscribe now and hit the bell. Let's get smarter than the scammers.
A scam is actually very simple.
Someone tries to steal your money, your details, or your trust by tricking you. And phishing? Not real phishing, it's when they try to hook your personal info.
They send fake emails, texts, or websites to make you give away passwords or bank info. Super sneaky.
But good news, most scams fail if you know just 3 simple things. And those 3 things? You'll learn them all in this series.
So stick around. We're going to get way smarter than the scammers together.
In the Netherlands alone, people lose hundreds of millions every year to online scammers. And in 2025 and 2026, it got even worse with AI scams and fake deepfake videos. Scammers play on your feelings, fear, curiosity, or even love.
They make you feel like you have to act fast, but real companies never rush you like that.
Nope. But now, you're going to be ready. Here are the 3 simple checks that stop most scams. Number 1. Urgent language. Everything has to happen right now. Pay today or lose everything.
Real companies never rush you like that. Take your time.
Number 2. Strange sender or link. Always check the email address and hover over links. If it looks weird, don't click. Number 3. They ask for money, your PIN, or your details.
No real bank or company will ever ask for your PIN, codes, or to send money via gift card.
That's it! No!
Yes, that's the spirit!
Remember these 3. Urgent, strange asks. If you see them, stop!
Use this simple trick every time. Urgent, strange asks, don't do it.
Next time, we'll look at real scam examples. Safely, of course. These 3 checks catch almost every scam out there. Just remember, urgent, strange asks. That's your superpower! Stop and think. Don't click, don't reply. Great job, Bob! Yes!
Best moves, don't click, don't answer, don't call the number they give you.
Always go to the real website or app yourself to check if something is true. If you already clicked or gave info, don't panic. Tell your bank fast and report it. Report it to the police or the official scam reporting site. The sooner, the better chance to get money back. No shame in falling for a scam. Scammers are tricky. But now you know better.
That's it for today. See you in the next one for real scam examples. Stay safe.